Recognize that you are in control of how your world is created. When you realize that everything is happening for your highest good, even if you can't see it right now, you'll start to trust the process of life as it develops in front of you. When you live in a state of gratitude, you open yourself up to receive more blessings from the universe. The universe responds to your vibration, and when you are in a state of gratitude, you are emitting a high frequency that attracts more positive experiences into your life. It's important to remember that you already have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. You don't need to look outside of yourself for validation or approval. When you trust yourself and your inner guidance, you will be guided to the people, opportunities, and experiences that will help you manifest your desires. As you continue on this journey of self-discovery, you will learn to let go of limiting beliefs and self-doubt that may be holding you back. You will begin to embrace a new way of thinking and being that is in alignment with your true self and your highest purpose. The more you trust the process of life unfolding before you, the more peace and joy you will experience in your life. You will no longer feel the need to control every aspect of your life, but rather you will surrender to the flow of life and trust that everything is working out for your highest good. Keys to experiencing a sense of abundance and fulfillment in your life. When you focus on lack and scarcity, you perpetuate that energy and attract more of the same into your life. However, by cultivating an attitude of gratitude and appreciation for what you do have, you create a vibrational frequency that aligns with abundance and attracts more of it into your life. Living in the present moment is another crucial component of feeling like you have what you want to have right now. Too often, we get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past, which takes us out of the present moment and diminishes our ability to experience joy and fulfillment in our lives. By focusing on the present moment and fully immersing ourselves in the experiences we are having right now, we can tap into the power of the present moment and experience the fullness of life in all its beauty and wonder. It's also important to recognize that the journey towards manifesting your desires is a process, not a destination. It's not enough to simply focus on your desires and expect them to magically materialize without any effort or action on your part. You must also take concrete steps towards manifesting your desires, such as setting goals, taking inspired action, and trusting in the process. Trust is perhaps the most critical element in this process. Trusting in the process of life means having faith that everything is happening for your highest good, even if it doesn't always seem that way. Trusting in the process means letting go of your need to control everything and allowing the universe to work its magic in your life. It means believing that you are always exactly where you need to be in order to learn the lessons you need to learn and grow into the person you were meant to be. When you combine these elements of gratitude, living in the present moment, and trust, you create a powerful recipe for manifesting your desires and creating the life of your dreams. By focusing on what you want, feeling grateful for what you have, and trusting in the process, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and set in motion a series of events that will bring your desires to fruition. But remember, the journey towards manifesting your desires is not always easy. You will encounter obstacles and challenges along the way, and you may sometimes doubt yourself or the process. When this happens, it's important to remember that the challenges you face are essential for your growth and evolution. They are opportunities for you to learn and grow, and to become the person you were meant to be. By staying focused on your inner truth and relying on your inner strength and resilience, you can overcome any obstacle and emerge stronger and more empowered than ever before. When you trust in the process of life, you recognize that everything is happening for your highest good, even if it doesn't always seem that way in the moment. To your daily habits and routines that align with your desired state of being. For example, if you desire to have a healthy and fit body, you may choose to incorporate daily exercise and healthy eating habits into your routine. By doing so, you not only align your actions with your desires, but you also send a powerful message to the universe that you are committed to your goals and that you are ready to receive the experiences that align with your desires. As you continue to focus on the present moment and cultivate a deep sense of gratitude, you will begin to experience a sense of peace and contentment that transcends your external circumstances. You will find that your focus shifts from a place of lack and scarcity to one of abundance and gratitude. And as a result, you will begin to attract more experiences that align with your desires. In order to fully harness the power of manifestation, it is important to let go of any limiting beliefs and negative self-talk that may be holding you back. This may involve working through past traumas, engaging in self-reflection and inner work, and practicing self-compassion and forgiveness. When you approach life from a place of love and abundance, you will find that the universe responds in kind, and opportunities will begin to present themselves to you in ways that you may never have imagined. By trusting the process of life and remaining open to new experiences and possibilities, you will begin to create a life that is aligned with your true essence and reflects the full spectrum of your soul's journey. Ultimately, the key to manifesting your desires is to cultivate a deep sense of trust and faith in the universe and in your own inner guidance. By tuning in to your inner voice and following your intuition, you will be led towards experiences that are in alignment with your highest good and that resonate with your soul's purpose. In conclusion, the secret to feeling like you have what you want to have right now lies in the realization that you have the power to change your focus, modify your beliefs, and align your thoughts and emotions with your desires. By cultivating a deep sense of gratitude and trust in the process of life, you will create a vibrational match for the experiences you wish to attract. And in so doing, you will begin to transform your world from the inside out. The journey towards self-discovery and personal transformation is a lifelong process, and it is one that requires courage, determination, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. But by connecting with your true essence, trusting the universe, and staying focused on your desires, you can create a life that is a true testament to the power and beauty of your soul's purpose. Mindfulness practices can greatly enhance the process of manifesting your desires. By bringing your attention to the present moment, you can release any thoughts or emotions that may be holding you back from achieving your goals. Mindfulness meditation, for example, is a powerful technique that can help you cultivate inner peace and focus on your intentions. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. This awareness can help you identify any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be preventing you from manifesting your desires. By recognizing these patterns, you can then work on shifting your focus and beliefs to align with your desired outcomes. In addition to mindfulness practices, adjusting your body language and voice tone can also help you manifest your desires. Your body language and voice tone can influence how others perceive you and can affect the energy you emit. By being mindful of your body language and voice tone, you can project confidence, positivity, and openness to receiving abundance and prosperity. Trusting the process is also a crucial component of manifesting your desires. It requires surrendering to the universe and having faith that everything will unfold in divine timing. This means releasing the need to control every aspect of your life and trusting that the universe has your best interests at heart. Fully experiencing the feelings associated with your desired experiences is also important in manifesting your desires. When you focus on the emotions that come with achieving your goals, you create a vibrational match for those experiences. This means that you attract experiences and opportunities that match the energy you are emitting. For example, if you desire financial abundance, focusing on the feeling of abundance can help you attract more abundance into your life. This means being grateful for what you already have, feeling abundant in the present moment, and imagining how it would feel to have even more abundance in your life. By focusing on the feeling of abundance, you can create a vibrational match for financial prosperity and attract more abundance into your life. In conclusion, manifesting your desires requires a combination of techniques and attitudes. Mindfulness practices can help you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, allowing you to identify any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be holding you back. Adjusting your body language and voice tone can help you project confidence, positivity, and openness to receiving abundance and prosperity. Trusting the process and fully experiencing the feelings associated with your desired experiences can also help you create a vibrational match for those experiences. By incorporating these techniques and attitudes into your daily life, you can manifest your desires and create the life you truly desire. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on the fascinating world of mind and body connection. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more interesting videos in the future.